Jordan with Davis Brown & Company. Let's go over some of the features available to you now that you've set up your Qount client portal. Whenever you log into your client portal, you'll always be taken to your dashboard first. On your dashboard, you can easily see any unread posts, your recent documents, to-dos, as well as a section related to e-signing your tax documents, completing your client questionnaire, and viewing all of our invoices. We'll talk more about this section in our next video. First, we're going to cover this unread post section. This is where general communications between our firm and you will go. In this instance, say that I'm a client with a new rental property, and I called the office and wanted to know what sort of income and expenses to provide so that we could prepare your tax return. Our firm can then send you a post via your client portal that will not only show here in the unread post section, but also send you an email where you can preview this information. In this case, we've already read the post, so it's not showing up in the unread post section, but that's okay. In order to see past posts that maybe you've already read, all you need to do is go to messages and then hashtag the individual. If there was a business, you'd not only see hashtag Andrew and Jordan, in this case the individual, you'd also see hashtag and the business name. So we're going to go ahead and just click into this individual. As you can see, there's a PDF that the firm has sent me with any rental income expense information that I requested. So in order to open this document, I can just click here on the name, and that'll open it in a new tab where I can view it. If I wanted to, I could also print it. So in addition to opening the document that way, if I wanted to download it to my computer, I just would hit this little cloud with a download button, and that will show up now in my downloads right here. So now that I've viewed the document, maybe I've totaled up my income and expenses and I'm ready to respond back to this post. So you can type any sort of message, not only here in this post screen, but also in the email notification that you receive as well. So in both places, you can respond with a comment. See attached for the totals. Let me know if you need anything else. And so now we've got that little message sent. All we need to do is click this paperclip and I can attach any document related to this. So in this case, I'm going to say, here are my totals related to my income and expenses for my rental property. I can put any sort of notes here, but that's not necessary unless there's just something special you need to say. And then we'll hit upload. So now you can see this is telling you that the firm, will not be able to view your document until it's submitted. So we haven't fully submitted yet. As you can see, we've got our document attached here and our little note. So now this is all we want to respond back. You just hit enter to then respond to that initial post. So now you can see here's the PDF that the firm sent, and here's my response with my rental totals and any other sort of information I want to send. Again, you can respond here on this post screen or even via the email notification you receive and send us any sort of responses. Or if you have more questions, you can respond that here too. So now we're going to go back to our dashboard. All you have to do to get back to that screen is click on hashtag dashboards. And you can tell we're right back where we started at the beginning of this video. So now we're going to cover the to-dos. So to-dos are items that our firm needs you to work on or provide to us. In this case, we've created a to-do requesting a 2022 W-2. Within this to-do, our firm can provide more details to you as to what information we're needing to provide. And we also get notifications when you send us items. To view this to-do, you can obviously see here we have a message and this little yellow icon showing us that there's a to-do. But you also have this little red notification showing you a to-do via hashtag to-dos. So these will both take you to the same place. So we're just going to click into this one over here. As you can see, the firm has requested that for us to send the W-2 for 2022. Again, you can send in any attachments here directly from your computer just by clicking that paperclip and attaching any items that you need. So in this instance, you can also make a comment just like you did on the post. And so we could say maybe did not work here for 2022, so no W-2. So any sort of information related to the to-do we're requesting from you, you can put in this post area. So now we're going to hit post, and that puts my little message out here. And again, I can attach any necessary documents as well. So once I've finished everything related to this to-do, I'll just hit submit, and then that will send it to our firm so that we can see that you've submitted this to-do. So we're going to go back to the home screen. As you can see, there's no to-dos now in this list. There is still a notification on a hashtag to-do, so let's click there. As you can see, there's none assigned to you now, but you have one submitted. And here you can see exactly what that to-do was and what it related to and all the correspondence relating to that. So you'll always be able to see any past to-dos that have been submitted or assigned here in this hashtag to-do screen. So once our firm reads your to-do and does whatever we need to mark that as done, our firm then marks that as done. So you can kind of see the flow of you sending us documents, and then once we've actually read those, we'll mark that to-do done. And as you can see, we're getting notifications about this whole process. So we're going to go back to our home screen now. As we mentioned in our last video, hashtag documents is where you can go to send us any sort of tax documents or documents related to preparing your tax return. All you do is click into the applicable tax year, and then you'll hit plus document, and you can pick any document that's on your computer. So now we're going to go back to the home screen or a dashboard. This hashtag home button will take you to our firm homepage where we will post periodic updates or important information for you. For now, this homepage just has a summary of the different hashtags and their uses, as well as more information for navigating the portal. As you can see, we now have many different ways for you to electronically communicate with our firm. As always, reach out to us if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you out.